Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 20. After Julius Caesar's assassination in 44 BC, Mark Antony joined forces with Octavian and Lepidus, forming the Second Triumvirate to defeat Caesar's assassins. But the alliance crumbled, leading Antony to Cleopatra, Egypt's queen. Their alliance, turning romantic, alarmed Rome, especially Octavian. This tension sparked the Battle of Actium in 31 BC, where Octavian decisively defeated Antony and Cleopatra. Facing defeat, the lovers chose suicide. Antony fell on his sword, and Cleopatra famously succumbed to an asp's bite. Their tragic end marked a romantic yet doomed challenge to Rome's power, immortalizing them in history as a legendary couple.